People across the UK could be missing out on hundreds of pounds every month and not realise it. The Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, helps around 1.7 million people in the UK with a benefit called the Employment and Support Allowance, ESA. People eligible for the payments have certain disabilities or health conditions that affect how much you can work. As reported by Wales Online, the new style ESA is for those below pension age who have both worked as an employee or self-employed and paid national insurance contributions in the last 2 to 3 years. It's possible to get ESA if you get universal credit, but receiving job seekers allowance or statutory sick pay disqualifies you. However, if you get both ESA and universal credit, the latter will be reduced in line with the amount you receive for the new style ESA. There are a number of medical conditions that qualify you for ESA. Read on for everything you need to know, from how much you will get and how to get the money. What medical conditions qualify for ESA? According to DWP data, there are 23 groups of medical conditions that could make you eligible for ESA. They are as follows: certain infectious and parasitic diseases, neoplasms, diseases of the blood and blood-forming organs, and certain diseases involving the immune mechanism, endocrine, nutritional, and metabolic diseases, mental and behavioral disorders, diseases of the nervous system, diseases of the eye and adnexa, diseases of the ear and mastoid process, diseases of the circulatory system, diseases of the respiratory system, diseases of the digestive system, diseases of the skin and subcutaneous system, disease of the musculoskeletal system and connective tissue, diseases of the genitourinary system, pregnancy, childbirth, and the puerperium, certain conditions originating in the perinatal period, congenital malformations, deformations, and chromosomal abnormalities, symptoms, signs, and abnormal clinical and laboratory findings not elsewhere classified, injury, poisoning, and certain other consequences of external causes of morbidity and mortality, factors influencing health status and contact with health services, codes for special purposes unknown or claimants without diagnosis on the system. How do I apply for ESA and which conditions qualify? People can apply for ESA online or through calling 0800 055 6688. You'll need the following to apply: your national insurance number, your bank or building society account number and sort code. You can use a friend or family member's account if you do not have one, your doctor's name, address, and telephone number, a fit note, sometimes called a sick note, or a statement of fitness for work, if you've not been able to work for more than 7 days in a row because of a disability or health condition, details of your income if you're working, the date your statutory sick pay, SSP, ends if you're claiming it. Applicants will be contacted by phone and told when to give the evidence and where to send it. Expect to receive the assessment rate for 13 weeks while your claim is being reviewed. The assessment rate is, up to £67.20 a week if you're aged under 25, up to £84.80 a week if you're aged 25 or over. Those still waiting over 13 weeks later will continue receiving the assessment rate until a decision is made or until your ESA is due to end. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. If you're entitled to ESA following the assessment, you'll be placed into one of two groups. If you're able to get back into work in the future, you'll be put into the work-related activity group. Otherwise, you'll be put into the support group. You'll get up to £84.80 a week if you're in the work-related activity group, up to £129.50 a week if you're in the support group. Those receiving ESA will get the payment every 2 weeks. For example, this adds up to £518 a month if you are put in the support group. If you're in the support group and on income-related ESA, you're also entitled to the enhanced disability premium. You may also qualify for the severe disability premium. These are extra amounts of money added to your ESA, and you can find out more about them on the Gov. UK website. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.